The market seems busier today than yesterday.
Big print fish.
Hey, Sangwag. Today, the market feels even busier than yesterday.
How's Stella's Ricky Tiao? Yes, many people are shopping for New Year today.
I see many lights hanging above the street.
I hear music playing everywhere around us. The music makes the market feel happy and warm.
New Year music always brings smiles to people.
I like this song because it sounds cheerful.
I wanna dance, but my boots are heavy. You can dance later when we go home.
Let us walk slowly and enjoy the moment.
I see a toy shop over there. I see toy cars and funny animals. We will look, but we will not rush.
Learning patience is also important.
I try to walk slowly like Mom.
I try to, but my legs wanna run.
That is okay. You are still learning.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
I like learning new things every day. I like learning when it feels fun. Ha!
Fun learning stays longer in our minds.
That is very true for children.
Mom, can I ask a question? Yes, Sophie, you can always ask. Why do people smile so much today? Because New Year brings hope and joy.
People feel thankful for a new start.
I feel happy because I am with family.
That is the best reason to smile. Let us stop and look at this stall.
I see colorful hats and scarves. I see funny hats with big ears.
Those hats look very warm.
They also make people laugh.
Dad, you should try one.
Maybe later I will surprise you.
Please try a funny hat. We will see about that.
Let us keep walking first. Hey, first.
The market feels like a small city. I feel like an explorer here. Ha! Exploring together is very special.
Whew. Family walks build good memories.
I want to remember this day. I want to remember this day. I want to tell Snowy about it.
Snowy will listen quietly as always.
Shadow would love this place too.
Shadow likes walking more than Snowy. Snowy likes sleeping more than walking.
Every pet has its own style.
Just like people do.
I feel a little tired now. My legs feel strong, but my hands are cold.
Let us find a warm place to rest.
That sounds like a good idea.
Let us sit here and rest for a while. I like sitting and watching people pass by. I like counting how many people wear red hats.
That sounds like a fun game.
How many red hats do you see, Leo?
Yeah, two. I see 1, 2, 3, many red hats. I see more blue hats than red ones.
You both observe very well.
Observation helps learning a lot.
I like learning by watching quietly.
I like learning by asking questions. Both ways are very good.
Everyone learns in their own way.
Mom, I feel warm when you talk.
That makes me very happy. I feel warm when Dad smiles.
Smiling is free and powerful.
Smiles make hard days easier.
to smile more often.
I smile when I feel safe.
Safety is important for children.
Family gives safety and comfort.
I feel safe holding your hand.
I feel brave when Dad is near. Soon we will walk again.
B. Yes, yes. But first, let us enjoy this moment.
The snow looks softer now.
Snowflakes fall slowly like feathers.
That is a beautiful way to say it.
You are learning to describe things well.
Words help me explain my feelings. Words help me ask for snacks.
That makes me laugh a little.
Humor helps learning feel light.
I like learning when it feels easy. I like learning when it feels funny. That is why stories are helpful.
Stories connect words and feelings.
I like stories with family.
I like stories with pets.
Maybe next time we tell a pet story.
That sounds like a great idea.
I feel ready to walk again. My legs want to move now. Let us stand up slowly.
Please be careful on the snow.
I will hold your hand, Mom. I will follow Dad closely. Thank you for listening so well.
Good listening is part of learning.
The sky looks darker now.
Yes, evening is coming slowly. The lights look brighter at night. Everything feels more magical now.
Night markets feel special and calm.
but home also feels warm and safe.
I miss Snowy already.
I think Snowy is sleeping again.
Most likely he is very relaxed.
Let us start walking home together.
My steps feel slower now. My energy is still high.
That is very normal.
Children have different energy levels.
I feel happy and a little sleepy.
I feel happy and still curious.
Today was a good learning day.
We talked, walked, and laughed together.
I learned new words today. I learned how to walk slowly. That is a very good lesson.
Small lessons are important.
I like learning with family stories. I like learning with funny moments. We will have more stories soon.
Yes, many more adventures are coming.
I want to watch the next episode. Ha ha! I want to come back to the market. Next time, we will show new places.
And new words to learn.
Learning feels easier with you. Learning feels fun with you.
That makes us very happy.
Teaching children is a joy.
Thank you for today, Mom and Dad. Thank you for holding my hand. Thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoy this story, please stay with us. Please watch the next episode with our family. Subscribe to support our English learning channel. We bring fun, easy stories for new learners. Learn slowly, smile often, and enjoy English.